Children, today I am going to start with the next kind of advertisement, that is commercial or display advertisements. As the name suggests, these advertisements are published in newspapers, magazines or TV to attract the viewers and for the promotion and publicity of the services, products or events of a leading concern or a manufacturer's establishment or organization. Now, these kind of advertisements are very much different from classified advertisements because of their language and size. What happens? Display advertisements, which are generally displayed in a newspaper, they are called display advertisement, and if it is pasted on a public notice board or a place, it becomes a commercial poster. Now, these commercial or display advertisements, they can be of any size, any shape and color. They could be colorful also. Whereas in classified advertisement, what we saw, that it was only a text-based advertisement which was very dull. Another thing that we should keep in mind while drafting a commercial or display advertisement, that make a good use of visuals. What kind of visuals? It could be sketches, drawings, designs and photographs. Next, designing, it depends upon the needs of the advertiser. This means the size, the style of alphabet that we are using, it should be upon the need. What the advertiser or what the organization wants to put up in the advertisement. Then, what is the main purpose of a commercial or a display advertisement? See, the main purpose is that the advertisement should attract the attention of the people. And that is why, because their size is quite big, they could be of any shape, they are quite expensive also. Another aim of display advertisement is it spreads awareness also. It is used to make appeals, announce sales discounts and inform about inauguration, etc. Now, after the introduction, what are the main features of a commercial or display advertisement? Now, the first one is it is designed for commercial purpose. I have already told. Then it occupies more space, is more expensive in terms of advertising cost. Classified advertisement, they are quite cheap, whereas the commercial advertisements, they are expensive. Visually attractive, varying font size or shape. In the introduction part, I have already explained you that it should be attractive. It should attract the viewers. Next, slogans, wordplay, metaphors, similes could be used while drafting a display advertisement. Language, colorful and lucid. That means language should be easy to understand and it should be flowery also. Then proportionate spacing. The spacing, the designing should be in proper proportion. Next, essential details that are to be incorporated while drafting a display advertisement. Name of the company or the institute or organizer, etc. Then details regarding the product, event, educational courses, etc. Special offers or discounts, if any. Address and contact details of the company or the institute or the organizer, etc. These are more or less same as we give in the classified advertisement. Next up, I am going to give you few examples of a commercial or display advertisement. Now, here are few examples of a display advertisement. Now, these are few examples where we are using text as well as the visual. One thing I would like to suggest the students, that if your drawing is not good, please don't attempt to make a visual in your display advertisement. If possible, try to make a very simple visual and incorporate text. Here are 3 questions for you for the assignment to practice at home. Question 1. You are a ready-made garment dealer. You wish to announce your annual clearance sale. Construct a suitable display advertisement. Question 2. You are the director of ITM Education Center announcing new programs in business administration. Draft a suitable display advertisement for publication in a newspaper. And the last question, question number 3. You are the manufacturer of quality greeting cards. Draft a display advertisement announcing the new range of your seasonal cards. With this, I come to the end of today's class. In the next class, I'll come up with a new topic.